Today on Red, we're taking a deep look at the Laifen razor. We're unboxing it, tearing it down, examining the internal build quality, and of course, testing how well it actually shaves. So let's get started. Right out of the box, the Laifen razor looks clean, minimal, and well designed. The packaging is simple but premium. Inside you get the razor, the charging cable, and the magnetic protective cap. No unnecessary extras, no overcomplicated accessories, just the essentials. The razor feels great in the hand. It has that perfect balance between lightweight and solid. The matte finish gives it a premium touch. The power button sits perfectly under the thumb, and when you turn it on, the motor has a smooth, quiet hum. No harsh buzzing like with older electric shavers. Now let's open it up and look inside. Removing the shaving head reveals the dual blade system. The floating cutters have tight tolerances, and the machining quality is higher than I expected. No loose parts, no cheap plastic noise. Everything fits precisely. Going deeper into the teardown, we remove the outer shell and reach the motor and internal frame. Laifen clearly didn't cut corners here. The motor is compact but strong, mounted on soft dampers to reduce vibration. It's genuinely well engineered for such a small device. Now let's talk about performance. The Laifen razor uses a high-speed linear motor, and you can feel it immediately. It cuts smoothly without tugging or irritating the skin, even with a couple of days of beard growth. It doesn't slow down. One of the biggest surprises is how quiet it is. The sound is soft and controlled. It almost feels like a miniature electric car engine. The shaving head flexes well across the jawline and neck. It's huge, like full-size premium shavers, and for daily use, travel, or quick touch-ups, it's nearly perfect. Battery life is impressive too, and it recharges quickly with USB-C. Cleaning is simple. The head pops off and can be rinsed under running water. Now let's sum up the good and the bad. On the positive side, great build quality, quiet operation, compact size, USB-C charging, easy cleaning, good battery life, and smooth performance for daily shaving. I haven't found any downsides as yet, except that the price might seem high to some, but I can confidently tell you that it's worth every dollar spent on it. Overall, the Laifen razor is a surprisingly impressive device. From the outside, it looks simple, but once you tear it down, you realize it's built like a premium product. It's quiet, efficient, well-engineered, and perfect for everyday use or travel. This is Red, and we go deeper into tech than most. If you enjoyed this teardown and want more videos like it, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.